Welcome back to Lon's Rods. Well, the Durango's up and running, but running like garbage because the Amazon injectors, I got four on the driver's side bank leaking fuel, causing too much fuel in the combustion chamber, and I got one or two on the passenger side. So gonna go to get some original injectors like so, because the old ones are split. So gonna get some original equipment injectors and throw the Amazon ones in the garbage. And then back on the Dis-Astro. No spark condition. Never give up. Always keep on proceeding to find the issue. Yeah. So the plug-in on the crank sensor did not look too good. This wire's hanging on by a thread. So I thought that may be the issue, but couldn't get any power. I believe the pinkish one is supposed to have power. So I wasn't getting power, and that's because she was broke in the loom. And yeah, so that would cause a no crank. So I got power now. I don't know if you can see. No, don't have the key on. Gotta turn the key on. So key on. Make sure we got test light power there, and then hard to do with one hand and hold the camera, my bad. And power there. So we got power where it broke. So that was the issue. No crank. It was not getting power down to the crank sensor because it was broke in the loom. Yeah, that would drive you crazy. So check your wires, guys. That's what it boils down to. Check your wires. Have a good day. Like and subscribe to Lon's Rods.